Hi, in front of me is VERNEE M5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Then scroll down and click on Apps. Tap on this gear icon at the top right corner and choose App Permissions. Select one of the options, for example Location, and tap on it. Now click on an app, for example Calendar. And now Calendar just gained access to my device location. If you wanna deny it, just tap on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!